Hi everyone! So today I have the large, small and glimmer of the month for April 24. Yes, I'm still catching up, but and the next one will probably be out soon. So in this one you get a hot foil called Moon Dust, which is this really pretty, it's got like a holographic aqua blue kind of colour to it. I think it's really pretty, so that's going to be fun to use. And then for the glimmer we have the So Amazing which has 10 hot foil plates and 1 cutting die. So this cutting die you can use with the hot foil sentiments, which are along the side here. And then there's all these different stitching details that you can either put together to make a background, or you can use them individually on a card. And these were all hot foil. So this is just an example of what you can do, even though you can't really see the foil on there, but and there's the sentiments going across the little banner. And then this is just showing you how you can tape them together to hot foil them along the edge of a piece of cardstock. So that's going to be fun. There's obviously a sewing theme for this one. The small die of the month is the Faux Stitched Sentiments and Floss. And this has 9 cutting dies. So you have your main floss die here, which then has these pieces that will lay on the top. There's another little section here, the solid and the detailed one, which I believe these two are to sort of represent the I guess like the paper packaging for floss. So that's what that's supposed to be. And then you have some stitching or sort of stitched lines sentiments. So you've got hello, happy, you, thanks and for. So these are the sort of things that you can do with it. So there's those little things I was talking about, but it creates what looks like floss. So for anybody who's an embroiderer, that's what that's for. And then you've got the stitched sentiment in the middle there. So that's going to be fun too. And then the large die of the month is Pins and Needles Jar. And there are 14 cutting dies here. So you basically, and it is a large set, you basically get the huge die for the jar, which to be honest you could make a whole card front with that. That'd be very, very cool. And then you have all the parts and pieces. So there's the lid, there's the little spongy thing that would go on the top for pins. There's the scissors, which come in a few pieces. My cat. Okay. Excuse the cat. There's the scissors, which are really those little beautiful little detailed embroidery scissors. And then all the pieces for things like the cotton and your buttons and what are these things called? The thumb things, finger guards, pins, like proper safety pins, and even some thread and another floss thing there. So hi Maggie. So this is the kind of thing that you can create with that. I think there's also an actual needle in there, which there is. So the bobblehead pin and the needle, so you can make it look like you've got thread through there. So it's very, very cute. And then you can fill the jar with that. So that is the kit for April 24, and my cat. So yes, I hope this was inspirational. Sorry about the little the extra view of the photo bomber. So anyway, she's now lying on that. So I'm going to go and create some stuff. Oh, you just wanted to be in the picture, didn't you? So until next time, guys. Bye for now.